The Bio One-on-One Partnering Message Center is the unified area where all partnering delegates from your company can view meeting requests. The Message Center is also where you self-schedule your company's meetings at your preferred time using your preferred method, whether that is a video conferencing system like GoToMeeting, Zoom, or WebEx, or a phone conferencing line, or any other preferred method. You can begin scheduling meetings as soon as you have an accepted meeting request. Unlike our typical on-site conferences where scheduling starts 3 weeks out, you can start scheduling yourself as soon as you have accepted requests. Let's take a quick look at the Message Center's layout. On the left side here, you can access the dashboard to see an overview of your company's meeting request activity. You can use the search bar to search through your meeting requests to find one in particular, and you can use a variety of filters on the left side to narrow down your meeting requests as well. Here toward the top, you can click Export to download your meeting request into Excel. Just keep in mind that it may take a few moments, especially if you have hundreds of meeting requests. The left pane here has the total list of meeting requests from your company, and the right pane shows the specific requests that you have clicked on. Now, a few quick notes before we get to scheduling. The Reply Only button here does not mean that you're accepting a meeting. You use Reply Only basically to send the other company a message, perhaps to ask for a little bit of additional information. If you have an incoming requested meeting, you'll need to specifically click Accept Request to accept that request. Now, let's look at an accepted meeting and the scheduling process. Here you can see the meeting participants on both sides, and at the bottom that the thread reads sort of like an email. A participant from either company can schedule the meeting. That's up to you. There's no particular etiquette around whether the requester or requestee schedules the meeting. So let's go in and click Schedule. Please note that for demo purposes, I am logged in as this example company, Umbrella Consulting, instead of myself, Willie Reeves from Bio, so that you can see the typical user view that you'll see when you log in. A red time slot means that there are conflicting meetings or someone from the other company is not available. A yellow time slot means that someone from your company is not available. You can click on the number to see who is not available from your company, and if needed, adjust, of course if they agree, their partnering calendar here and click Save. What we're looking for are the green time slots, and that means that this time slot is mutually available, and you can choose any green time slot. The other company has already said that the time is available, so you don't have to ask again. Let's say that I'm a morning person. Maybe I want to meet earlier in the morning, so I'll click my time here and click Enter Your Own Virtual Location. This is where you'll enter in your service of choice. So if you already use a service like GoToMeeting or Zoom, you can input those links. If you prefer to do conference calls, you can enter your conference call information here. And if you just want the other company to call your cell phone, you can enter your phone number in here as well. Note that Bio does not provide or endorse any particular video conferencing system over another. The partnering system is designed to offer maximum flexibility so that you can conduct meetings in the format that you like. I'm going to be showing GoToMeeting here momentarily, purely as an example. So I'm going to go into my meeting system, whatever system that is. For me, I'm going to use GoToMeeting as an example here. I have my meeting room up, so I'm going to click Copy Invitation. That process may look a little different depending on what service you're using. And I'll paste the information here into this second box. Now, very important, the top field here that says enter the meeting location name, that one's required, and you should input your full location link there if you have a link. And please be sure to leave the entire link. For security and access purposes, it needs that HTTPS, so please don't shorten it. I'm actually just going to take out these details here. We know who the meeting is with already. And then I'm ready to go. I'll click Use this location. I see my meeting summary page here with the time and location information, and I click Confirm and Schedule. And we're done. Everyone that's a participant in the meeting will receive an email notification and an Outlook calendar invitation as well with the time and location and details for the meeting. One quick note, if you are using a virtual meeting service, most of the major services allow you to use either unique links per meeting or a single link for your room. What I just demonstrated was a single link, so I could use that link over and over again for many different meetings, which is convenient, but just means that I need to be mindful of my schedule if using back-to-back meetings so that the companies don't overlap. You may also use unique links per meeting. In GoToMeeting, for example, you would click Create Meeting and set up a one-time meeting. And it's a very similar process in most other major meeting systems. While you may end up using a few different services, most major meeting services have browser-based versions so that you don't have to download an app. The Message Center here will allow you all the flexibility you need to reschedule your meeting, cancel, or make any other changes as they come up. Thanks for watching.